This 2026, adding a video banner to your Shopify store is now easy. Before, it was very complicated and required proper or professional skills. All you need is an active Shopify account to make it work. No coding needed and no need to hire someone or pay for the setup. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps to set up your video banner. You can also watch our other video on how to create your own video banner and learn the correct size for it. Let's now start the process. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store. Then after that, select Themes. Then click this hero or banner. And on the side menu, make sure that you selected the video or type option. Then press select to upload the file. Add files. Then select the files and upload. After that, select the uploaded file and press Done. And if you don't need this header, just select the text and click the trash icon to delete it. Same process with this, just select and click the trash icon to delete. And if you notice that your banner looks dark, just select the hero section or the banner, then on the side menu, scroll down and disable the media overlay option. Don't forget to save. Then after that, you can also check the mobile view, and that's it.
So if you want to learn more about e-commerce, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. And if you have any question, please leave us a comment. See ya!